Alright, so y'all not gonna believe this. We having high winds here. So the first disaster is this. All this mess done blew off the porch. I gotta pick that up. But it ain't, that's not even the worst. Check this out. The whole damn greenhouse blew way over there. Now that's wild. Look at that. So I gotta clean all this shit up. Don't believe it. Can't believe it. So my work is never fucking done. All this stuff spread out here. Damn greenhouse just blew up. Blew off the thing. I don't think the frame too bad. Let's see. The frame ain't too bad. I already knew I was gonna have to get another cover. But, yeah, that's why. I think because it was zipped up. So we'll fix it though. That ain't gonna stop me from my groceries and this shit. So I gotta clean all that up. Fix it up. My work is never done. I'll talk to y'all later. I gotta get busy. Ciao. In my SpongeBob voice, a few hours later, I done put this motherfucker back up. As you can see, the dog's still mesmerized back there by my skills. It ain't up to the best of its ability, but since I put it together, I damn sure know how to reroute it and put it back together. Told y'all I'm at work when it comes around my house anyway. So I had to go in here and rearrange some things. It just blew away because I had all the doors closed because it's the winter time. So I just was using it for storage and shit. I guess with this wind blowing the way it is, it's just tripping. I ain't even got to this mess up here yet. See that? Look at it. Still blowing. I ain't had enough yet. It's going down. Do that all day. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later.